This tutorial is going to be about getting music from YouTube and converting it into MP3s and bringing in, or getting video from YouTube, bringing it in, converting it to MP4 and bringing it in. Okay, so first thing we got to type in YouTube to MP3, and basically we have to find one that is working still. I think this one at this moment that I'm making the video still works. So YouTube to MP3 converter, so ytmp3.cc. If you click on that one, it should look like this. And now all we need is the URL. So if we typed in, let's type in Transformers trailer. A terrible video. Oh, but Bumblebee. Maybe this one's going to be okay. Okay, so then you found a song that you like, you found a video clip that you wanted to put behind a green screen, or whatever the reason is that you need a clip. Then all we do is we click on it and go to it, and then click up here, right click, copy it, the URL, go back to YouTube to MP3 and paste it in. And then you got to decide, if is it for music, do you want the audio, or do you want the video and audio? Okay, so I'm going to take video and audio in this case. Actually, no, I'll just take the audio, and I'm going to go convert, and then this comes up. Hopefully that's the one that you wanted, and you have to be ready here real quick, because there's like spam tabs that'll pop up right away. So you click download, and you got to go right up here real quick and exit out of that. Just get rid of it right away before it even has a chance to load up. Okay, then it downloads. So in yours, I don't know if there's an option on the PCs to have it saved to your folder, but you have to find it. So in this case, I can go like show in Finder. I'm not sure on the PC what it's going to be, but you have to go and find this and get it into your folder. It might be in a downloads folder or wherever it is, but get it into your folder. Okay, so there's your song. Now we can go back in, and just like we imported anything else, we go File, Import, and we have to find it. So yours is hopefully in your folder. Mine probably went to Downloads, so right here, just select it and import. And there we go. Now when I double click this one, you can see that it looks different than these ones. This one, see that purple there, and then the green, so that's like video and audio. This is just audio. So I double click, and you're gonna see just pure the waveforms, so left and right audio channels. And we can treat this like anything else. Maybe I just want from the start to there. So I'm just gonna take that part of the song, like, well, this trailer, and I'm gonna just drag in the audio, and even that little bit. So maybe you're trying to drop it in here and it won't go. You don't want to put it over top of your clips. If you just go one down lower, it'll add a new layer for you. Okay, and then you can see it jumps up to now audio 4. So even though it didn't seem like a long piece in there, it's much longer than what I had in here. So then now that'll be...
I'm Charlie Watson. I'm 18. Today, actually. Is the Beetle for sale?
Yours, kid.
Okay, so, I mean, that's obviously not what I would pick for this, but that's how you would get your audio from YouTube into your timeline. And if this was the video, if this was the MP4, then it would just be like any other video clip, and you cut in, cut out, drag just the video or both or whatever you need to place in. One thing I'm going to note here, though, is that I would never, there'd be no reason for this. Like, let's say this is my main title. Maybe we have it, over here, and I'm not gonna change this, but let's say, so there's your main title, then the video happens. And then it ends. I never want us to just end and then there's like just a bunch of music playing. We should fade it out either with the clip or shortly after, or if there's credits or something that come after this, then that's fine. But we should shorten this down And so maybe I'm going to knock the front off of here. Maybe this is more of like what we wanted. But now we have to fade this out. So I'm going to bring this down to there, and I'm going to go back to audio transitions and put a constant power at the end. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to be like, okay, we're going to fade that out. I'm also going to fade that audio out on the clip, and video transitions, I'm going to cross dissolve both this and this. So now we have a clean, I would do this, like I would think about all that at the start as well. But now if we watch this.
Is the beetle for sale?
Cheers, kid. Happy birthday.
So you see it fades out nice at the end. We don't need that extended clip out at the end. It just makes it awkward.